after being out here for a while and not having enough water, I was really concerned a lot of times if I was going to run out. And that's a lot like the membership program. If you don't have enough income, everything gets really difficult. And that's why it's important when I launched this membership program that I got the word out right away and get people to check it out, and every little bit helps. I mean, I'm collecting rainwater in trash cans, right? Every drop, every dollar out here makes a difference. So I really appreciate you checking out what we got here. And all of the money is going towards helping me keep the ranch going and bringing content to you to show you what it's really like living out here. I'm not smart enough to be fake, so whatever's happening is what you guys get to see every day and every week out here. So I'm out here full time now, and normally you don't get to see the rain, so enjoy it when you get it. All right, thanks a lot. Stay tuned. Check us out. Bye for now. I have never seen one like this around here. Red head, bright yellow body. Seems like he's by himself. He was around the shop earlier. I almost stepped on him. I came around the corner and he fluttered up right in front of me. I got my longest telephoto lens zoomed all the way in, trying to handhold this. That is the coolest thing ever. That's why I waste water. I took some pictures. I just wanted to get this on video also. Now these are, I don't know, 10 feet tall. They're really high. Here is about eye level with me. Okay, so they're pretty tall. I've been watching these pop the last few days, so I finally remembered to get out and get a picture. Pretty cool. And yeah, the thorns are, these are about ½ inch long, I think. Pretty serious. Here's a down low one. Pretty cool. So out here next to the generator, like the main source of pollution that I have, everything else is all, you know, shiny solar panels and stuff, but right out here I got this one pretty healthy looking flower plant, probably a weed, but I guess if it's your land you get to decide what the weeds are. But there's this one, there's another one over there that hasn't flowered yet, and over there there's a couple. I don't know if that's even the same flower, but I don't know, it's like there should be some kind of a weird statement that, you know, something blooms right next to the generator that's spewing oil everywhere. Anyway, That's all I had. Okay, it's about 7:50 p.m. on the 23rd. I just happened to look out the window. We've got the moon. Sunset is behind us. We're looking towards the east. This is in the evening. This sky is just amazing. It's got a weird tone to it. I don't know. It's kind of got a different look. Kind of cool. And there's the moon. It's not quite full, but getting close. Okay, 8:23 in the morning on the 8th of May. I just saw the first snake of the year. This one, not a rattlesnake. Interesting coloring on this one. It's one of the ones that eats mice. There we go. And the tail is back there. Not the best shot in the world. Pretty good size. Looked like about 2 or 3 feet long. Yeah, you can see the tail. No rattle. I've been looking for like 6 weeks for snakes, and that's the first one I've seen. So far, what I've learned, if they get into a corner, they'll stay there. They won't leave once they've been spotted.
move. Yeah, he smelled me coming. Saw the tongue